Gravity Trance by Tanya Shatseva in 70x88cm rounds special treatment. Version 1 starts with electric diamonds. Simply place them on the white areas, which represent small balls of light. So place them on these areas, on the hand, as well as in the background, and then the remaining ones, scatter them around the canvas so that you have these small glittering effect in the background. Gravity Trance by Tanya Shatseva in 70x88cm rounds, special treatment version 2 now adds magenta crystals that we've sprinkled on the letters on her blouse. So place your magenta crystals on here and sprinkle it. Aside from that, we've also added eyeshadow in the form of prism pearls for her eyes. So on her eyelids, simply sprinkle prism pearls, depending on how dark you want her eyeshadow to be, and place that on her eyelids. This is for version 2 of Gravity Trance. Gravity Trance 70x88cm rounds by Tanya Shatseva, special treatment version 3 now adds a confetti of crystals. These are different DIYMOON shop crystals that you will be placing in random areas in the background to give it that galaxy feel. So as you can see, right over here, we've got some deep emerald crystals over here. And then moving along over here, we've got some strawberry fire, some ice crystals, and then over here is some alexandrite. We also have some abalone, as well as pink fluorite, pink quartz, black diamonds, and a few other crystals. And as you can see, this gives the painting a galaxy feel that is not just one-dimensional, but it makes it truly look like there are stars sparkling, as if she's in space, and this is basically millions of stars shining.